Wedding guest makeup that's simple and easy. Starting off with the eyebrows, I'm using the House Labs eyebrow pencil and filling in the top of my brows. Since I have hooded eyes, I don't want to bring my eyebrow down since I don't have a lot of space there. Since this is a summer wedding makeup look, I'm trying to keep everything fresh, so I'm only filling in the sparse areas. You want this makeup to last all night, so use an eyeshadow primer. This is the About Face one, and place it all over the eyelid. For this wedding guest makeup look, we're going to use the iconic London palette, and it's the Day to Slay palette. First, we're going to go in with this light brown color, and I'm just placing that above my natural crease to create some depth. Pro tip is start with your eyes open so you know where to go above. Then going into this light pink with a little bit of peach undertone, and putting that above my crease as well. Use a slightly smaller brush for this so you can be more precise. When I think summer wedding makeup, I think pinks and peaches. What colors would you use? Again, I'm doing that tip with starting with my eyes open and then closing them to buff out the eyeshadow. If you ever feel like you brought your eyeshadow up too high or it's too messy, go in with a light eyeshadow and just place it where you want to clean it up. For a little wedding glam, we're going in with these two shimmers. The purple color, keeping kind of in the center of my eyelid, and then I'm using the lighter pink color on the inner corner. I wanted the inner corner to be a little bit brighter, so I went in with this peach fizz color and just placed that right in the inner corner. If you need to deepen up the crease, you can go in with a brown color like I'm doing here. This is completely optional though, it was just my personal preference. I wanted to deepen it up. Then go in with a black pencil. This is the gel liner from the Sephora collection, and tightline your upper waterline. I placed a little bit of liner on the edge of my lash line. I was completely out of frame when I did that, so I apologize. I'll put a little clip. And then I'm taking a flat angled brush and just flicking the wing out. When you think summer wedding makeup, you think soft, so this is just a soft wing. Use a pointed Q-tip to clean up your wing. Always clean up under your eye. You think that there's no fallout, but look, there's still a little bit of eyeshadow on there. Curl your lashes. This is a simple wedding makeup look, so we're not using any falsies. Grab your favorite mascara. This is the City Beauty mascara. I've been really liking it. It makes your lashes thick but not clumpy. What's your favorite mascara? Look how simple that looks, and we're going to finish off the bottom lash line with some of the light brown eyeshadow. Do you wear eyeshadow on your lower lash line? Let me know in the comments. I'm just adding a touch of that pink color. Do you have any weddings to go to this year? Just adding some lower lash line mascara. And then final step is set your eyebrows. This is the Kosas eyebrow gel. All the products I'm using will be listed in the description below too. Now you have your simple wedding guest eyeshadow look, and this looks great without false lashes. For summer makeup, it's going to be warm, so you want to prime your skin. This is the Cali Ray primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm going to be using two different concealers since we're doing a more fresh makeup look. The first one is the One Size Beauty. It has a little bit more full coverage, and I'm putting the concealer on before I put my foundation on, and then just blending that out. Doing your foundation this way will give a more natural look because you're putting less product on after the concealer. Adding some highlight, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight. Again, putting this under your foundation will give you a more natural look. I'm using the Summer Fridays Skin Tint. This is very sheer, so it's perfect for summer, but if you want a little bit more coverage, I would go with something like the Hourglass Veil Skin Tint. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand, this is very natural looking and is a great option for summer. Would you be interested in seeing my favorite contour products? Or would you prefer a contour tutorial? Comment below. Just blending the contour out, and this is the e.l.f. brush. This is one of my favorite contour brushes, or contour buffing brushes. Don't laugh at my next tip, but if you want to make sure your contour is blended, smush your face kind of, and if there's no line, that means it's blended. You look crazy, but it works. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer Duo, one of my favorite bronzers of all time. Do you like seeing me do my full face of makeup, or do you prefer just doing like the eyes or the face? Let me know in the comments. And going in with this Danessa Myricks cream blush. Pro tip, if you have a really pigmented blush, tap it off on the back of your hand first and then put it on your face. Another tip, if you go in too heavy, use your beauty blender to buff it out. Then adding a little bit more coverage under my eyes with the Makeup Forever concealer. You want everything to last all day and night, so make sure to set your face. This is the Kosas powder, which I've really been liking. It's very dry skin friendly. Only place the powder in your oily areas if you want a more natural finish. Lock everything in place with your favorite setting spray. This is the Cali Ray. And then going in with some lip liner, this is the Refi in Rosewood. Since this is a summer wedding guest makeup, I'm going in with some gloss since it's a little bit lighter than anything matte. Now you have a fresh face for any summer wedding. This look really took me no time at all, and it's so simple, pretty, and light. If you try this makeup look, make sure to tag me. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all the socials. I hope you learned something and follow for more tips. Check out these videos if you want to learn more.